I can't wait for the sun when them sundresses gon' come on out. Living all the way in the west, but the Georgia peach make me feel down south. See you in the streets, believe I'ma go ahead and reach on out. Cause I done peeped you on the ground, goddamn, you just made another fan, yeah. Used to curving plenty niggas, if I wasn't for you, baby, I ain't nervous.
Well, Ganyo, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Rose Davy, and today I'm just going to be showing you guys how I do my press-ons with this like design that I found off Instagram. So I'm just starting off by kind of like taking off that shiny layer on my nails, and then I already picked out my nail sizes, and I'm just going to use this glue and put that on pretty much like the part that's going to cover my nail before I go ahead and press down, starting by lining it up with my kind of like cuticle, but making sure not to go on the cuticle, and then pressing down firmly for about 2 to 10 seconds before moving on to the next nail. Now, this is the nail design that I saw off of Instagram, so I'm going to be doing a little twist. It's not going to look exactly like it, but that's where the inspo came from. Now, I'm going to be filing off just like the top of it. As you can see, there's that little ridge, and that's just pretty much to show you where the number is on the nail form, so you know the top from the bottom. So I just went ahead and filed that off 2 to 3 times, and then I'm going in with my gel base coat, and this is from the Sensational nail kit that I got from Walmart. Now, I did notice that after a few hours my nails started cracking, so I would suggest going ahead, and if you have like a dip powder that's clear, go ahead and put 1 coat of the dip powder over these nail forms just to give it more durability. I believe that they started cracking because when gel gets cured, it kind of tightens, which is why they tell you to always cap the tip of your nail as well. So I believe when it tightened, the pressure kind of started cracking the nails. But I just went ahead and put 1 base coat, cured it. Do not wipe off that sticky tack layer. And then I'm going in with this like nude color, also from Sensational, and I'm just going to be putting 2 coats of that on, but I'm going to cure my nails for 30 seconds in between each coat. And again, do not remove that tacky layer yet. You're going to do that at the end. That nude color is bomb, y'all. I'm so in love. But now I'm going in with the Sensational top coat, and I'm going to put 1 coat of that, cap all the nails before curing it twice. I always cure it twice just to be safe, but I'm sure you can cure it once and be fine. But I'm just going to put that on, cure it, and then you will see me use a lint-free cotton pad with alcohol to go ahead and wipe off that tacky layer that's on top of the nails. All right, y'all, so here's where that penmanship comes in. So now I'm taking a flat nail brush, and I'm gonna take this white color, also from the Sensational line, but this one will not have a tacky layer, so that makes it really easy. So I'm just gonna go ahead and paint on some of that white onto the design brush, the flat brush that we have, and I'm just going to slowly but surely start trying to make a straight diagonal line. And honestly, I did mess up a couple of times and go down too far, but I ended up just liking it like that, and I kept it and just went really slow. And I went over this area about 3 times just to make sure that it was really opaque. last but certainly not least, we are going to moisturize those cuticles with this cuticle oil that I got from my local Sally's. So I'm just going to put a couple like drops, I guess you could say, and then I'm going to rub that into the cuticles because we got to promote that healthy nail growth, sis. But this is the final look. I went ahead and moisturized those ashy little hands that y'all was seeing. But thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you liked it and enjoyed it. Please give this video a thumbs up, comment, share, subscribe, do the works, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye.